After releasing the first steel ruler music performance video, I received various comments and suggestions. The main issue boiled down to two: pitch inaccuracy and slow tempo. To address these challenges, the upgrade version 0.2 is here. First, let's fix the pitch issues. Loose cover plates cause pitch instability. The solution? I make new one. Perfect fit. Now, let's test the pitch accuracy. Same length, different frequencies?
Huh?
Not sure why, but testing each note individually solves the problem. Upload the data.
Nice.
With pitch perfected, let's tackle the speed limitation. Each note requires 4 steps. To increase speed, we need faster servo and stepper motor response. How to boost servo's response? Simply crank up the voltage. Now for the stepper motor. As we know, suddenly high speed starts cause step loss. If we use soft start, it reduces the immediate load and lets the motor accelerate smoothly to higher speeds.
Nice.
Now, we have maximized the prototype's hardware potential. Let's see the optimized music performance. And version 1.0 production version is already in development. Stay tuned.